Hey guys, coming here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, first impression of the iPhone 14 Pro here, and then take a look at the comparison between the 14 Pro and the regular 14. This is the purple color one, and this is the deep purple that the 14 Pro comes in. So we're going to take a look at that, look at the body, and do a quick setup so you guys can see. So at a first look, as you can see, the purple on the 14 is a lighter purple than the 14 Pro, which comes again a deep purple is what they call it, which means pretty much a darker purple. So that's going to be the comparison between these two colors. You can see here the 14 Pro of course has 3 cameras versus the 2 camera. The 14 Pro looks very similar to the 13 here. Doesn't seem like they have changed anything in terms of, if you're just looking from the back. The body build on this one, again, it's going to be aerospace grade aluminum body. So you can see here, close up body, again, matte body all around. You got these lens, and that's the body, and you got the speakers here just like that. And let's go ahead and take a look at all around. And that's the 5G MMM wave. And you'll notice here there is no SIM card tray any longer on the iPhone themselves here. So we're going to go ahead quickly take the sticker off here, and then go ahead and power the device on. So as you can see, the top here again on the 14 itself does not have that dynamic island anymore. So you don't get the dynamic island like you do with the Pro lineup, which you can see here just by taking a look at it. You won't get that. So basically it looks like almost the same build as the new phone 14 is like the 13, because you don't even get the dynamic island. The price on this one starts at $799. Now it does come in other colors like the blue, you got midnight, you also got the starlight and the product red as well. So those are the other options that you have. And to kind of give you another overview, this is a 6.1 inch display. As you can see overall here, the display is a Super Retina display. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. Quick setup here. We're going to go ahead and connect it to a Wi-Fi here. Okay, if we can do that one more time and choose the network. So the first setup, again, it's pretty simple. We're just putting in the Wi-Fi password, and it will just go through the basic setup of it. But as you can see here, even on a comparison size level between these two phones, again, same size body almost for these two phones, but you can see the differences between the Pro model and the regular model. Overall, the matte and the shiny bezels as well. We'll take a look at also this angle to give you a rundown here, and then this side look, and the bottom as well. So if you're deciding between paying $1,000 versus $799, that's what you're looking at. Again, we did the unboxing for this one. If you guys want to check that out, we'll put a link for that one as well, so you can check that one out. As you can see here, it's trying to activate the eSIM right now on the phone here, so we can go ahead, and the cellular connection is turned on. We'll just put this off. So once you get your cellular set up, it's going to show your number, and it's going to say it's active, just like this, and then you hit continue. Remember, because the 14 doesn't have a physical SIM, it's all through e-activation. So if you're looking to do the activation, all you do is call your carrier up, and they'll be able to help you get it activated. And once you have done that, we're going to go through the whole process here. You can set up the Face ID. Of course, you want to make sure you do that. But for just to make this video quick for you, and so you can see that, we're just going to skip through this and transfer Apple ID. You want to make sure you put that in, but here again, we're just skipping through. Or if it's the very first time for you, you can always create one for free, or if you have existing one, just use the existing one. And we're gonna go through all this setup here and continue. And then this emergency SOS that is now available on the phone, which is going to be coming via satellite. You can read more about it. But as you can see, the iPhone 14 here, as you have it, the new wallpaper on iOS 16 here. Go quick a look. You can see you can add new wallpaper to it, customize the wallpaper, customize the font, add different widgets, just like that, change the view, and much more set as wallpaper, and all of those neat features which we showed you guys in other videos as well. So if you're looking for the phone, this is how it looks like. There are some improvements on the 14 Pro versus the iPhone 14 itself, but on the 14 here, as you can see here, we already mentioned a couple things. The battery life here, it's about 20 hours based on Apple, around 3200 mAh battery here, so it's a decent sized battery. We'll see how it is. However, the chip on this one didn't change. On the 14 Pro here, where you have the A16 Bionic chip, on the 14 they kept the same chip as the 13 lineup, that A15 Bionic chip. Of course, you get all the other features. You were able to get the 128 gig, 256 gig, 512 gig, and all those are the three options. The phone weighs just about a little over 6 ounces, so it's really light, compact. Again, overall, it'll be nice to see how the comparison is. We'll compare it with the other devices and do other unboxing of the other colors as well. But overall, simple and nice phone. Of course, iPhones, they are pretty much the same when it comes to the software. It is water resistant as well, so you got IP68, another feature, those 212 megapixel camera. You got the front camera as well. It doesn't have the 48 main camera like the Pro model does have, but consider the camera again will be great. Overall, you can choose the different style. Again, similarly, you got the portrait mode that's available for you as well. Video, you can record up to 4K 60 frames per second, which again was similar to the previous model as well. So that's how the look of it is for the purple. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure that like and subscribe button. So check out the links in the description section for discounted iPhones that you can get if you're not looking to get the iPhone 14. But thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.